You see the name Regions Bank flash across a screen, and the question immediately pops into your head: is this a bank I can trust with my money? Are they legit? And most importantly, is my hard-earned cash safe? In the crowded financial landscape, finding a reliable bank is critical. Regions Bank is a major, full-service financial institution operating primarily across the South, Midwest, and Texas. But let's break down exactly what makes them a legitimate and secure choice for your banking needs. First, to tackle legitimacy, Regions Bank is absolutely legit. They are a publicly traded company, Regions Financial Corporation, and a massive player in the U.S. banking sector, with a long history stretching back over a century and a large network of branches and ATMs. They are chartered and regulated by the Federal Reserve and other governmental financial authorities, which is a key sign of a properly operating and legal financial entity. But legitimacy is only half the picture. The real concern for most people is safety. And here's where you can breathe easy. The most important factor is that Regions Bank is FDIC insured. That's the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. What this means for you is that your deposits, including checking, savings, and money market accounts, are protected up to the standard maximum of $250,000 per depositor, per ownership category, in the unlikely event of a bank failure. That coverage is backed by the full faith and credit of the U.S. government. Beyond government insurance, Regions invests heavily in security. Like any large, modern bank, they employ advanced digital security measures to protect your online and mobile banking. This includes encryption, multi-factor authentication, and constant monitoring for fraud. They also offer tools like lock-it controls, which allow you to instantly lock and unlock your debit card to prevent unauthorized transactions, giving you an extra layer of personal control. Now, no bank is completely immune to scams that target customers, and Regions is no exception. Like any financial institution, they constantly warn customers about phishing attempts, check fraud schemes, and identity theft. The key here isn't whether the bank is perfect, but whether they are committed to fighting fraud, and Regions has dedicated fraud prevention resources and clear steps for customers to report suspicious activity. So, to summarize the answer to your big question, yes, Regions Bank is legit, being a major, federally regulated, and established financial corporation. And yes, your money is safe, protected by FDIC insurance up to $250,000, and secured by modern banking technology and fraud prevention tools. As with any bank, your part is simply to stay vigilant and follow their security best practices. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.